Welcome to 1803 Parkside Drive, a beautifully renovated 4+1 bedroom home with 3 washrooms situated within a great family-minded neighborhood of Pickering's highly sought-after Amberley community. A property landscaped with peace and tranquility in mind, the backyard is a summertime resort-like getaway offering exceptional privacy, while the lush lawn, mature tree, and perennial garden bed of the front yard evoke a sense of connecting with nature. Behind the partial brick wall is a large west-facing stone interlocking terrace, and beyond the covered front entrance is a home with 3 levels of interior living space, all freshly painted and showcasing exceptional upgrades. A befitting entry into the home, the foyer features light-colored polished floor tiles that flow throughout the hallway and kitchen areas, plus a cathedral ceiling that has an exterior transom above a huge second-story interior window. This interior window highlights the vaulted ceiling of the living room, which itself has wall-to-wall west-facing windows, allowing natural light to flood this space and to spill into the adjacent dining room and into the upper level as well. The living, dining, and family rooms all have been updated with engineered hardwood flooring that complements the soft, neutral decor that is seen throughout the entire home. These 3 entertaining spaces also brightened with LED pot lighting, while the dining room additionally features the ambient lighting of a modern farmhouse light fixture, as well as direct access from the kitchen. The foyer also has a mirrored door coat closet and sconce lighting, while an upgraded light fixture brightens the side hallway leading to the sunken family room. Enjoying gorgeous backyard views, the family room centers itself around the coziness of a wood-burning brick fireplace with a wood overmantel. Its entertaining space fully open to a 4-season solarium with a sliding door walkout to the backyard, extending the entertaining to the outdoors during the warm weather months. Incredibly private, the east-facing backyard is surrounded by tall hedges, and off the solarium walkout is a circular stone patio overlooking the relaxing resort-like space of its pool area. The kidney-shaped in-ground pool is surrounded by a concrete deck, and its stone interlocking patio has plenty of space for family and guests to soak up the sun after a refreshing swim. Hardwood steps lead up to the kitchen area. This bright, updated workspace showcasing LED pot lighting, a pantry and storage closet, white cabinetry with upgraded hardware, stainless steel appliances including a French door fridge, dishwasher, and a new oven, plus a stainless steel double sink, as well as quartz counters and backsplashes. The breakfast area also having a large wall cutout with a quartz ledge that brings with it an openness to the family room. The main level additionally features a vanity with a quartz counter in the updated powder room. Its laundry room has a secondary side door entrance, a storage closet, as well as a new front-load washer and dryer. And to both the upper and lower levels, new spiral hardwood staircases with wrought iron pickets. The upper level showcases new engineered hardwood flooring and upgraded light fixtures throughout, with the 4 bedrooms and both upgraded washrooms all having large windows for abundant natural lighting. A linen closet is right outside the main 5-piece washroom. which showcases polished tiles finishing the floor and bath area, plus a vanity with a quartz counter and undermount basins. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms can accommodate sitting areas and have good-sized double closets. While through a double-door entry is the graciously sized master suite, which showcases a sitting area, a walk-in closet plus a secondary storage closet, as well as an ensuite washroom with polished tiled finishes, a vanity with a quartz counter and undermount basins, and a glass shower. The lower level brings added family and entertaining space to the home and features new wide plank flooring, a combined furnace and storage room, a large recreation area with an oversized above-grade window, and a spacious bonus room with a good-sized closet, built-in wall shelves, and pot lighting. A short walk to Gandetsetiegan Public School and McPherson Park, and also minutes from Dunbarton High and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, the Amberley Shopping Centre, and a wide variety of retailers and services along Kingston Road. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.